Hey everybody, it's Anita coming at you from ShiftSmart AI. Today I'm going to talk to you about Gamma.app. If you're not familiar with Gamma, it is a wonderful AI supported presentation tools. I do a lot of education for real estate agents and investors on AI and automation, and I use Gamma all the time. I was in corporate banking for a number of years, many years ago, and I was the PowerPoint queen and just really leverage that for presentation, and I can tell you that Gamma is 100 times better than PowerPoint in terms of how it presents beautifully, gives you options to customize, takes your content and breaks it up into pages that make sense, help generate AI images, completely customizable. So what I did is I'm getting ready to send a cold email campaign to 2,500 real estate brokers in the state of California, talking about my company and what I can do, and I wanted to add value. We always are looking to add value, and so I wanted to create a lead magnet, something that was beautiful and clean, simple, quick wins, and that's what this is. 3 AI wins for real estate agents, things that they can implement today with little to no effort and generate maximum ROI. So trying to get them used to this new world of tools that they can use. Spend some time on ChatGPT creating the content. It's about ready to go. And I'm going to copy that over and go into Gamma. So you can see I use this for a lot of different things. We're going to create a new one, walk through this process with me. You can create presentations, web pages, documents. So for this lead magnet, we're going to do a document because I want them to be able to print it. So in a PDF format, you can do stuff for social. You can do different sizes. We're going to go ahead and copy and paste all of that content in there exactly the same way. Don't worry about it. You can edit and customize later. We always do that. I've always said that AI is not here to replace you, but it is here to enhance your efforts. But you always need to edit and humanize it. I stopped because this is the incomplete, incorrect name of 11 Labs. So that's why you always want to go through your content. But you don't have to worry about that right now. We can do that later in Gamma. So I uploaded that. I want to preserve the text exactly the way it is because I've created this outside, but you can see there are other options for you to create that content. And we're going to go to the prompt editor. So the nice thing about Gamma is you have a lot of customization over here on the left side. You can do it in different languages. You can pick different themes. So while I love this crisp theme, modern, just clean and clear, you have tons of themes to play with depending on the type of content and the mood and the message that you're sending. But we're going to stick with just clean and clear. All right. I want it to generate AI images. You can swap out your own images later on when you're doing the editing process. And I want photorealistic. So I'm going to try and get no illustration. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't, but I want it to be photorealistic and in format. So we're going to hit generate, and I'm going to start my time clock because I want you to actually see how fast this takes. So Gamma has split it up into what they call cards, which are pages. It's their term for pages, but you can see it's starting to lay out and generate those images as a way to start. So I've got my front page, and it is starting to create all of the back end pages. It's included all the emojis, all the stories. This was a list of topics with some, it's already finished generating. That was 51 seconds to create the basics of what can become a really great presentation. So what do I do from here? I now go in, I edit it, I will swap out images. So I want to go ahead and put my own image in here so I can upload that and clean that up. You may not like this kind of image. You can play with the prompt. You can request it give you 3 different versions of a new image that you can pick and choose from. You can try different formats and styles, so you've got lots of flexibility there. You can add pages and video in here as well. You can do charts and graphics. Embed Figma. If you're doing things on Figma, you can throw that in here. And so it's just a really wildly easy to use tool that will allow you to create really beautiful foundation pieces for whatever it is that you're doing to show for your clients. So again, just a great way to use a tool. I think it cost me like $10 a month. Gamma is not expensive at all. So that's Gamma.app. Take advantage of it. If you want to learn more about AI and automation and how it can help small business owners in general with increasing revenue and lead generation, cutting costs, and getting more time back, you can visit my site at shiftsmartai.com, hit on resources, and you'll see lots of free training. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram and LinkedIn, Shift Smart AI, where I'm producing more of these videos if you find them helpful. Have a great rest of the day and have fun with creating your new presentations.